Okay, everyone, welcome back. Now we're going to practice our red words. You can read them with me. If we get to a word that you're unsure of or that you don't know, you can listen to me read the word. You could also play this video back so that you could practice reading all of the red words you've learned so far this year. So let's get started. Our first word is again. Every. Because. Friend. Our. Our. Any. They. From. Also. Use. School. Mother. Father. Already. Listen. Know. New. Different. To. Come. Some. His. Says. It's. Don't. Didn't. Very. Move. Was. Been. Many. Done. People. Why. Does. Goes. Favorite. Answer. Very good. Remember, if there's a word that you don't know and you want to practice, you can tap that word down your arm, or you can write that word using your finger on the surface of your table or on something that allows you to have that sense of touch. When you tap that word down your arm or when you write that word using your finger, you want to make sure that you say the letters in the word. So if we were getting tricked up on the word answer, we would simply write or tap down our arm ANSWER, answer. And we could practice it that way. Another thing you can do with these red words is you can put them on note cards and review them. You could put them on sticky notes or post-it notes and hang them around the house and read them when you see one. There are a lot of things you can do with red words for practice. Good job, friends.